Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations for f of x, given that f of 2 power x plus 1 equals 4 to the power x. So I'm going to be solving this using two different methods. So let's consider solution from here. So if you consider this as method 1, okay, so let's consider from this domain. Domain is 2 power of x plus 1. So suppose I let this one equals t. Then I want to make this 2 power x the subject of the formula. So I will transfer 1 to other side. And here we have 2 power x equals t minus 1. Then from here, let's say I raise these two sides by 2. That is 2 power x raised to power 2 equals t minus 1 raised to power of 2. And by rule of indices, so 2 power x raised to power 2, we consider this as 2 power of 2 raised to power of x. So we can switch the power, and this equals t minus 1 raised to power of 2. So from here, 2 to the power of x of 2 is 4. Then everything raised to power x equals t minus 1 raised to power of 2. So this is what we have for this expression. So we are going to start this, and we consider this as a very important equation. Then let's come back here. From the given question, we have 4 to the power of x here, which we are going to replace. Then 2 power x plus 1. Also, we are going to replace it with t. So therefore, we have this as f of t equals, so instead of 4 power x, we replace it with t minus 1 raised to power of 2. And then let's try to expand this. We have f of t equals, here becomes t squared minus 2t plus 1. So since we need to find f of x, so just like we replace t with x, and we have f of x equals x squared minus 2x plus 1. And this is the solution to value of x, and we know that x here is a member of real number. So let's consider the second method for solving this. As for the second method, so we have this as method 2. So let's consider again from the domain. Domain is 2 power x plus 1. And suppose I square this. So when I square this, and this one is in the form of, let's say we have a plus b raised to power 2. So this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And then by relating it with this, here we have 2 power of x plus 1 raised to power of 2 equals 2 power x raised to power of 2 plus 1 squared plus 2 multiplied by 2 power x multiplied by 1. So, and here it still remains 2 power of x plus 1 all raised to power 2. This equals, so we have to switch this, and this becomes 2 power 2 raised to power of x plus, so 1 squared is 1. Then plus here is 2 multiplied by 2 power of x. And from here, so we have 2 power of x plus 1 raised to power 2 equals, here is 4 raised to power x plus, so let's write this as 2 multiplied by 2 power x plus 1. And then let's try to make 4 power x the subject of the formula. So by doing that, we have 4 power x equals, so we transfer the whole of this to this side, and here is 2 power x plus 1 raised to power of 2 minus 2 multiplied by 2 power x minus 1. Okay, so if this is what we have, And let's say we have 4 power x equals 2 power x plus 1 all raised to power of 2. So I want to make this one also look like 2 power x plus 1. So what I do is, if I take out minus 2 and I write this as 2 power x plus 1, we know that when we try to expand this, we have 2 multiplied by 2 power x, we have minus 2 power x, then minus 2 times 1, that is minus 2. But what we have here is minus 1. It means we have to add plus 1 to this. Okay? So after successfully adding this, now let's recall from the question, which is f of 2 power x plus 1 equals 4 power of x. And here we have 4 power x, which is the whole of this. So what we do here is we replace it. And when we replace it, we have f of 2 power x plus 1 equals, so instead of 4 power x, we change it to 2 power x plus 1 raised to power 2 minus 2 into bracket of 2 power x plus 1. Then here is plus 1. So after having this, let's try to replace 2 power x with x. So therefore we have f of x equals, we have x to the power of 2 minus 2x plus 1. So this is the result to this, and whereby our x here is a member of real number. So here are the two methods I think I can use to solve this. If you have any other method, you can drop in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.